Are you tired of the dark eyebrows, the scary Eddie Munster look? Well, I'm going to show you how you can lighten your dark eyebrows. Make sure you have the proper tools when doing this. You have to have some color, specifically for eyebrows or hair color change. Make sure to have a brush and also a mixing bowl to make sure that you mix your product properly. Now remember, this is something that takes patience. You may have to apply several times to get the desired look. Once you have done that, go ahead and take your brush and apply it directly to the eyebrow, like so. Now, one thing you must remember is to use a protectant around the eye so that you don't irritate the eye area with the hair color or the eyebrow bleach. Using a protectant such as baby oil or Vaseline will help to protect the eye area and keep any color from changing your skin tone. Once you have waited at least 10 to 15 minutes, take a damp cloth and remove the product from the eye area, making sure to look for the desired color change. If you haven't seen a change, reapply your product and wait another 15 minutes. You will continue to do this until you see a color change. This is how you can lighten your dark eyebrows. Remember, keep some water handy, some towels, some Vaseline, and some oil to help keep the eye area free from any damage. My name is Sylvia Russell, and this is how you can lighten your dark eyebrows.